Head, good. How many heads do you have? One, good. So you say I. One head. Good boy. What is this? Fingers. This is fingers. How many fingers do you have? One. Only one finger? Two.
Three, four, five,
Six. Seven. Ten. So you say I have 10 fingers. Good. And what is this? Hands. How many hands do you have? One. Two. So you say I. Hands. Good boy. What is this? Ears. Good. How many ears do you have? Two. Can you say two? So you say I. Good boy. What is this? What is this? Head, shoulder, knees. Good. How many knees do you have? Knees. Look. How many knees, Mila? One, two. Good. So can you say, I have 2 knees? Good boy. What is this? Eyes. How many do you have? So you say, good boy. What is this? This one? Leg. Good job. How many legs do you have? 1 leg? No, you have 1, 2. So you say, I have 2 legs. Good boy. What is this? What is it? Toes. And you have 10 toes. Good boy. And what is this? What is it? What is this? Mouth. How many mouths do you have? 1 mouth. Good. Can you say I have? Good boy. Okay, Mila, what number is it? 5. Good. This one? No, 6 is. Good boy. What is this? Is 11. Good job. Mila, can you count for me? 4. Can you count like this? 1,